$152 or $62?
No, this one's $149. This one's $60. And this one's $152.
Why don't you just take the 60? I want the Ninja.
Well, then we can't get it today. We have to go somewhere else.
We can order it.
Yeah, I can order it online.
We got stuff like an air fryer. We got a Ninja air fryer. This is what I bought my dad for Christmas last year. But I made sure we got the same one because he said it worked so good, and he even cooked the second.
Oh my goodness! The windshield is crazy.
That was a burp. Mama burp.
No, Mama burped, all right. Oh, let's go this way. It's easier to get out of here.
Coffee.
Yes, that's what we're doing right now, Dana.
Yes. I'm so excited.
Yeah, this is where you got to stay here for a half an hour and charge your car for an electric car. Okay. Save gas.
And how much do you think it costs to charge your car?
Cents on the dollars, I think. That's not very much. But the problem is, it takes you half an hour charging. Oh shit, how dangerous is that? What the? Excuse my language.
I'm eating leftovers and pancakes. Something like that. What do you mean? That's what. That's what I want. My leftovers and pancakes. Because I was staying in the pancake mix.
Yeah, I have pancake mix at home.
I don't know where I'm eating.
Holy crap.
You might want to go in.
I'm going in.
Going in. What's this song? Going in. Mom, do you remember this song?
Is it even open inside? Try to only. Sorry.
And convenient. I'm gonna take it. It's that time again.
Hello, and welcome to the happiest place on earth. What can I get for you?
Can I get a medium hot Americano black, please?
Medium hot Americano. Anything else?
Nope, that's it.
Okay, you can pull it up. Thank you.
Was that just a recording?
I have no clue what that was, but it sounded pretty good.
I got it.
Sounded like a computer.
Yeah.
If not, that guy's voice is amazing.
Yeah. Will you ask in the window? Yes, I get my leftovers.
Yeah, babe.
My
I don't have any
leftovers.
leftovers in my salad.
Well, I don't think it was going to be good with enough anyway. Do you really include enough seafood?
No.
Good, because I think seafood's disgusting to begin with, but heated up seafood, ew, that's so gross. I'm so tired.
I know, I can see.
Yeah, I can't even give me an item.
I'll take a nap, Tina. Lay down and relax.
Alright, this is the before Dana eats in the chair. So we'll see what happens after. Yeah, I sure did. So I'm eating my leftovers. And Mama is making me a shake, and I don't know if she made me pancakes or not.